So last time we took a look at using eClean to get rid of old binary packages and disk files. This time, let's take a look at how to use it with old kernels. So you know what it's like, you're using Gentoo for a while and boot partition gets filled up quite fast because it's used up so much space. And as you can see on this system, I'm already using 356. So I'm going to install a package called eClean-kernel. We'll get that merged right now. What this tool is going to allow us to do is it automatically searches through your system to see how many kernels are installed, and that's the kernel binaries in /boot and also the /lib modules directory inside your system as well. And all I need to do to run it is run eClean-kernel. With the help command you can see all the commands. So the interesting one there is going to be the -l or --list kernels. And that's going to show you everything that you've got on your system now. So running that on the system. You can see I've got quite a few on there. So I only want to keep the newest one. Now a good recommendation is probably to keep at least 1 or 2 kernels afterwards. I'd probably recommend 2 kernels. So if anything happens, especially for you custom kernel users, you can instantly just go back to an old one that you know works. And it's always a good idea to have 1 or 2. This kernel uses, that problem doesn't exist as much because it's quite well tested in Gentoo. But you probably want to follow that advice anyway, because why risk it? You can also run the -A command on this, and that will ask you just before removing. But in my case, I'm going to run eClean-kernel /n/1, and that's just going to keep that last one. So it goes through, it finds out which kernel is the current running one. It does take quite a bit of time, not too bad. I mean, I did have quite a few, but that command's now finished. So let's go and take a look at how much space I've saved. Ah, there we go. I have now only using 93 megabytes of memory, and I've got 930 rather than 350 megabytes free. So, yes. As you can see, this is a good little tool, and one you should be taking advantage of. So, I'll see you next week with another video. Keep compiling.
So it's clear I have a Gentoo addiction, and if you would like help to enable me with that addiction, why not be like these wonderful people and consider giving to me on Patreon. This will help me get things such as new hardware, to make new videos for you, or coffee or vodka to get through the stress of dealing with things like hardware not working. Prices start at $1.